I'm on my way to Lacombe, Alberta for the Eastbound and Down car show, and I'm hoping to take some cool videos, so let's go along and see. I got to the airport and John wasn't there yet, so I sent him a couple text messages, and I just found out that he broke down on the side of the road. He's pretty sure it's his alternator, so I'm gonna have to wait here until he either gets it fixed or find somebody else to come and pick me up.
What, do we need like a sledgehammer or something?
I wish I had my bag. We got her?
So John posted on the Eastbound and Down page, and thankfully this guy named Mark is gonna come pick up John, then pick up me from the airport, and then we're gonna hit the parts store and see if we can fix this truck on the side of the road.
So what are you doing here? You're replacing that?
Yeah, I guess so.
Yeah. That was the sound we heard.
Yeah.
Beauty. Very good.
Here, spin it for me. There you go. Oh yeah, you can hear it. So right now we're sitting on the side of the highway and we're gonna attempt to put a new alternator in John's square body, and we'll see how this goes.
It's not on this one.
You get that bolted now. We're gonna come over about a half an inch. Battery's new enough that hopefully it charges itself up. Yeah, probably. We did burn the belt off because this belt would have been a nightmare to find. I had to order it in.
Did I test you? I go in the passenger side.
So we're able to get John's truck up and running, the new alternator fit, and we're actually gonna head over to Mark's place because he has a sick Volkswagen Bug he wants to show us, and if it's anything like his Suburban, I know it's gonna be cool.
Hi, my name's Kat. You guys probably have no idea who I am because I'm usually hiding behind the camera. But today, Cassidy has left me here alone and I'm bored. So what's better to do when you're bored than doing a little Cassidy and I both hate the bathroom. So this is the bathroom. I don't think this is very girly. This is not very nice, not very cutesy, not demure. So I figure I'm gonna give Cassidy a little surprise and girly it up and fix it so we have a nice bathroom. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do some redneck repairs. And today we're gonna do a little bit of demo. We're gonna destroy it. This is our nasty bathroom, and I am going to reno it to surprise Cassidy, so when she comes back from abandoning me, she'll have something nice to come home to, because this bathroom is awful and I would rather we outside because it's just, as you can see, it's not in good condition. So I'm gonna spice it up. I've got a toilet and a sink outside that I'm gonna haul in here, and then I've got a little bit stuff from my reno that we're gonna repurpose and put in this bathroom, and then also, of course, I got some pink things. So come with me to reno this bathroom and I'll show you how it's done the redneck way.
I add a ton of people too. Like anybody that sees somebody on Facebook with like a cool car or something as their profile picture and it's like something they built.
Yeah.
It's so cool.
I know.
I add him, right? So this guy I seen, he had a Volkswagen truck as his profile picture. I'm like, oh, cool. I wonder if he wants to come to Eastbound Down. So I added him.
Well, it's gonna be like the movie Cars where it drinks up his butt.
I wonder if you can make it bounce. It's got 15s. That's sick.
That's a pretty cool rig. Yeah, I bet you meet all sorts of people doing this event.
I know a guy, he specifically, oh yeah, I was driving here with my lights on and the windshield wipers going and everything. I'd probably kill my battery.
Yeah.
Snapchat, oh, your Suburban and my brother truck.
Wow.
It's an oddity, right?
Oh yeah.
This pink Bug is so cool. The color on it is beautiful, and every single part of this car has something custom done to it, custom paint. It's just absolutely beautiful. I'm astonished. I'm so glad that we got to stop here and see this. Not every day you get to see a Volkswagen Bug that's been built to the nines.
This thing.
So
Wow.
the airbrushing was all done by a buddy of mine out of Tabor.
Yeah.
And he does the awards for the street wheelers and all that too.
Okay, so I probably met him then.
Tony?
I like how you even
Yeah,
got the
Tony.
custom cup.
Is he the guy who does, yeah, I know him, I met him. But I don't know him, you know what I mean?
Mark built it for his wife, and he spent a lot of his years building this car. I can't remember what he said, but it was a fair number just doing it in his little shop. So I was super happy to like be able to see that. John's kid got to jump in and take a couple pictures, so that was really cute as well.
You did your own paint?
Yeah.
Yeah?
This is a garage paint job.
That's awesome.
It's beautiful.
I still got more to do. The wife smacked up the fender, so I gotta redo the fender.
Feels that. And while I was in there, I was admiring his lights. He's got these, what are they called? The hexagon light that hang from the ceiling, just like Avery has in his shop. And so I said I've been looking to get a set of those, and he actually happened to have a whole extra box, like a whole panel. And so he sent that with me as well. And I'm gonna have to leave it probably at my sister's and get it shipped back to me, but I'm gonna call that an absolute win. And if we didn't break down, I wouldn't have been going home with these sick lights either.
Okay, so with all the spiders and everything, I can do a lot, but I can't do everything. So I brought my husband with me so he can actually help, because sometimes I'm just a little useless. So we're gonna have Muscles here help me with everything. So yeah, say hi.
Hello.
Let's go. The thing is that behind this oven is all of the water connecty, and to shut the water connecty off, I have to shut it off from behind there, because we'll be taking the shower out here, which is right, I don't know if you can see that, here. This goes here, all the way to here, no bueno. So I have to shut the water off. So I'm gonna move that stove. Let's do it. So yeah, I think it's actually just in the cupboard, and I moved this thing for absolutely no reason. But I'm glad I unplugged it, because this thing looks like it's gonna start a house fire. So shut off's not behind there, and I've just gotten like 45 spiders on me. So I honestly have no idea where this shutoff valve is. We're gonna find it though. So still on my conquest to finding that shutoff valve. I honestly have no freaking idea where this thing is. I would ask Cassidy, but she's currently on a plane.
I'm on my way to Lacombe, Alberta for the Eastbound and Down car show, and I'm hoping to take some cool videos, so let's go along and see. Eastbound and Down is a classic car cruise, but it doesn't just have classic cars. It's everything from old cars to new cars, big rigs, bikes. It's going to be a great event, and all of the funds are being donated to Kids with Cancer Society Alberta, so it's also for a great cause, and we're going to be hitting a lot of beautiful historical sites along the way and get to learn a little bit about this area of Canada. So we're here at our first stop at Ellis Gardens. I don't know if the Hot Wheels car has been found yet, but This guy right here, he took me in the ride to this stop, so we're gonna see who I jump in with next. This guy over here, this is his brother, so we all drove in a groups of 12. It's a good ride actually, that car is really nice. How Poker Rally works, or this specific one, because this is actually the first one that I've done personally. Basically, you show up to the first meeting spot and John's prepared these pamphlets that have the 7 stops on the back with directions, and on the middle pages, it's got 7 columns where you get to write down your card hand. So every time you stop at a stop, you go up to one of the help desks, you pick a card out of the pile, and whatever it is gets written down on your little pamphlet, and every stop you hit, you get a new card to draw, and that goes into your poker hand, and then at the end of the day, you hand in your poker hand and they see who is the winner, who has the best set of cards.
Also, I don't think she knows where it is either. So I'm just gonna check this here. And voila, found it. Oh, it's leaking. I don't know what I'm doing. I think we did. I think we found it. Water is off. So, and then also, I don't know if this does anything. I really don't, but it says hot water. So I'm gonna assume that I have to turn this off. And it didn't blow up, so that's good. And I mean, like, what harm can it do? What harm can it do? Just kidding. Before I start anything, I'm probably gonna check if the water's off. Let's see, Oh. Yay! I was so bummed!
Pretty beautiful view. A little bit of a drop. We're here at Orkney Viewpoint. This is the second to last stop here in the 7-stop trip, and it is absolutely unreal. I've never been to this area. It's just outside of Drumheller, and this place is so cool. There's a couple different trails, and they have pinup girls in the parking lot as well selling poker hands. This is by far my favorite stop. All right, so we're here at the Last Chance Saloon. This is the last stop, and this is going to be the party to end the night. So far, it's bumping. There's cars lined up down the road. Parking lots are full. Bars just absolutely packed. They have an incredible band going on right now. The singers are just absolutely amazing. It's a beautiful small spot. It's gonna be lots of fun, and we're gonna start announcing some winners.
Okay, so mind me for looking really gross, but also I didn't film painting. I completely forgot I was charging this thing, but now it's fully charged. So this is the bathroom. Here, I'll show you this way. So this is our bathroom. So I finally finished this bathroom, and I am so happy with the outcome, even though it took a little bit longer than expected, it was definitely worth it. I had a little bit of inspiration from Cassidy, and I put a bunch of little pink touches around the bathroom to make it extra girly. And we got the sink in no problem after we were able to kind of problem solve that piping issue. And then the toilet got in no problem, and we replaced the lights up top. We found a little Value Plus set at the Rona that we got everything from, and I was like, well, you know what, it doesn't hurt to replace those little things, and I think it gives it just like a new fresh feeling, especially just with the paint in here. It's not the best job, mind you, because we really just painted over everything, honestly. I did a little bit of sanding, of course, to see, and I think it'll stick well to what was under there, even though it's shiny. I gave it a little sand, and hopefully it will last a while here. We got that hot water tank moved, even though it was a problem child, and it costed us an extra $100 for all the fitting and everything like that to just move it a little bit to the left there. But I think it looks way better in that spot. It really opens up this bathroom instead of being so dusty, dungy, and way too small that you could barely even fit in here in the first place. So we've got so much room, we've got lots of pink in here now, and it's clean. So I can't wait to show Cassidy, and I cannot wait to get the look on her face about this bathroom. I really hope she likes it.
What? Oh my god! Holy shit, this looks so much better!
You like it?
Oh yeah, this is awesome. Wow, I'm so much less scared to go pee in here now. Oh, this is so cute. Is this a new mirror or is this an old mirror?
No, it's the old mirror. I just gave it the
clean?
old. Yeah.
Wow, it's a nice sink too.
The little pink, because it's a girl's bathroom. My fingers. Yeah.
Did you actually get a new toilet from here?
I did, yeah. The old one was disturbing.
Yeah,
and then I took it out, and it was even more disturbing.
Oh no.
So,
What was the grossest thing you found in here?
Oh god, under the shower.
Oh.
There were so many little rat things, and I was just like, there's no rats, but I was just like, just the idea, I was like, oh, they'd be crawling under there.
Wow, this looks so good.
Yeah.
It's so good. Oh
Yeah. Yeah.
Wow, thank you.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, this looks so much better.
Yeah, I'm so excited to be in it.
You even got a hand towel.
I did.
There's soap in here? Look
Yeah.
at that. Now we got soap, hand towels, no spider webs. I like the little border too.
Yeah, well, that's a Marshall idea.
That was a Marshall idea?
Yeah, and thanks to him too, because I could have not done any of the wiring or any of, like, you know, the hard things.
What'd you have to wire?
Well, we moved this a little.
Oh wait, did you put a new fan up?
Nope, we spray painted that.
Oh, that looks good. It's no longer hanging down from the ceiling.
Yeah, the rats can come and get us.
Yeah, that was my concern. It's like you're sitting here peeing and you're like, I hope a spider doesn't crawl up my leg or a rat fall from the ceiling.
Yeah, so, and there's no place for them to hide now, so that makes me
Is it a new
happy.
light?
Yep, new light.
Damn. Wow, this is awesome. Thank you.
Of course.
Pat renovated the entire bathroom here at the shop. I am so thankful because it was scary to pee in there, I'm not gonna lie. It was so gross. Been trying to like work and clean, but obviously even if you clean that bathroom, it was still gross with like the leaky, what do you call those pee sinks? Urinals. Pee sinks. Anyways, the bathroom was gross. It was also super cramped. It had like a heater that looked like it had lit on fire, and it said do not turn on it, and there were spiders everywhere. And so now that we have a nice place in the shop to get ready, this is going to be awesome for me, especially when we have to like change outfits or whatever, or literally just need a clean place to use the bathroom. So I'm super excited to have a girl shop bathroom, and it looks phenomenal. She put a lot of time and a lot of her own money into this, so she could pee safely as well, but it's a benefit to me and I'm super happy with it. So this is literally a brand new bathroom. It's a little bit of a renter special, but definitely on the higher end, and I'm so happy.